Hello everyone, I am Sambita. Welcome back to our channel. I have been describing to you the features of the popular email analysis tool MailXaminer 5.0. Today in this tech series, I will cover the most important feature that is gonna be a time saver for all the digital investigators out there. But before moving ahead, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that you can get notified of the latest videos of this tech series. Now, without further ado, let's discuss one of the detailed and most advanced features of the tool, that is the Search tab. First of all, log into the application and click on the case that you created. By the way, if you have not created a case, then check out our previous video on how to create a case and other related videos present in the description box below. Now, after clicking on the case you created earlier, navigate to the Search tab on the left panel and click on the same. Then you will see the default search screen. There you will notice several options such as search bar, custodian panel, filter, and different categories such as email, calendar, loose files, chats, and calls. Along with that, some other elements. Let's start with the search bar. Here, the tool lets you perform searches in different ways, such as first, general search. It is basically a generic search where you can add a single keyword or a list of keywords to get the results. Second is fuzzy search. Here you don't have to worry about entering the keyword precisely. This search mechanism will be helpful in scenarios where you don't know the exact word for the desired result. Next comes the proximity search. This hit and trial mechanism lets you search for the email data with two or more words and the approximate distance between them. Next is regex search or regular expression. With this advanced email search mechanism, you can search for evidence in forensic email data using various combinations of patterns. It uses pattern matching to search for particular strings rather than creating search queries. Next is wildcard search. It is the advanced version of regex search. It finds the evidence within the email messages by displaying the result based on characters by utilizing two wildcards, that is asterisk and question mark. Finally, stem search. This search mechanism provides the result based on the root word. It lets you discover all the possible variants that correspond to the root word. Then comes the custodian panel. To know more about custodians, watch the previous videos mentioned in the description box below. Now, in the custodian panel, you can select the custodian to investigate the data inside it. Further, you can investigate based on the evidence you added all together or one by one. Next comes the filter option. When you click on it, you will be redirected to the filter page where further options such as standard, custodian, keywords and tags are there for filtering the data. So, to make your search more specific, you can apply different filters and add conditions. Let's discuss them one by one. First, let's have a look at the and/or filter. To use this filter, click on the plus icon and you will see three options: add group, add condition and apply negation to group. The add group option will add multiple groups of and/or filters to add more conditions and make the searches more specific. The add condition option will help you apply a specific condition to filter emails accordingly. The apply negation to the group will apply a not operator to the search criteria. Based on your requirement, you can make your choices or changes. Next comes the standard filter. Here you will see a list of predefined parameters. you can select them as per your need and filter emails accordingly. Next is the custodian filter. Here you can choose selective evidence files from multiple custodians and preview data within those files. After that, you can see the keyword filter. This helps you add certain keywords in the tool using which you can filter emails having mentioned keywords. You can add keywords into the software either one by one or using a CSV file. Last but not least is the tag filter. With this filter, you can assign tags to a certain set of emails so that you can filter the emails on the basis of those tags later. So these are the powerful search mechanisms that you can use to precisely carve out the desired evidence from emails and attachments. That's all for today. I will see you in the next video with some other features of MailXaminer 5.0. Till then, bye bye and be cyber safe.